How to force split screen in Roblox Mobile. So as you can notice, if we go ahead and try doing it without altering any settings, it will show no option to do a split screen for our Roblox. As you can see, the option is blackened. Or if we try splitting screen with a different app, let's say we try YouTube, we split screen YouTube, and as you can see, the app doesn't support split screen. So one way you can change this is to go ahead into your settings and go ahead into about phone. From here, you can go ahead into detailed info and specs and just press on any kind of button, spam it until you become a developer. So you can see now we are a developer from there, and we're gonna go ahead to the bottom of our settings, go ahead into additional settings, and from here, there will be a new option, which is developer options. We're gonna go ahead and look for the app section. It should be around at the bottom of this option settings. So over here, we have the apps. You're gonna have to toggle on for settings, which is force activities to be resizable, enable freeform windows. We can just go ahead and press on reboot later since we're gonna enable some of these. Force desktop mode, reboot later, and enable non-resizable in multi-window. Once these four are enabled, you're gonna have to restart or reboot your phone. So just go ahead and hold the power button, I suppose, and choose the reboot option. So after rebooting or restarting your phone, you can go ahead back to your Roblox app and try using the split screen. As you can see now, it is no longer darkened, and when we press on the button, it actually works. We can go ahead and pair it up with any other app that does work, like GD over here, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can force split screen in Roblox Mobile. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.